Hello everyone. Hello dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last lectures, we are done till exercise 7.2. So today in this lecture, we are going to start 7.3. Before starting exercise 7.3, let's learn something a little bit. 10-gram pieces. What is 10-gram pieces? 10-gram is an ancient Chinese puzzle. You play puzzles just like other puzzles. 10-gram is Chinese puzzle. In that puzzle, there is a shape given, and in that shape, 6 geometrical shape, which are our shapes like square, rectangle, are common shapes would be there. So we need to find out those 7 shapes out of that given shape. So let's start. Let's start exercise 7.3. You will learn just by doing the exercise, and this is very easy and very simple, and this exercise is for your increasing your thinking ability, how to find shapes in your surroundings or how to find shapes in any other shape. So this exercise is only for your increasing your thinking ability. So let's do this. So all of you write exercise 7.3. Now question number 1, that is based on 10-gram puzzle only. So question number 1, first of all we will write question. Draw the lines to show. Draw the lines to show all the 7 geometrical shapes of a 10-gram. So all of you note down the question first. Note down question quickly. Note down question quickly. Okay, so I hope you are done with the questions. So let's start. Let's see how to find the shapes in 10-gram puzzle. So first of all, let's draw the question. I am trying to draw exactly. Just trying. be like this, so that we can remember how many shapes we have marked. So this is the second one. These two we can see, just see and mark. So this is the third one. This also we can see. Now directly again we can see a triangle. So this is the fourth one. Now this is fifth one, and this is sixth, and this is seventh. So these are the 7 10-gram pieces of this shape. See, we can find triangles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The triangle we had found. Then the parallelogram 2 we had found. So these kind of shapes we need to find it out. These kind of questions are for increasing our thinking ability only. So all of you note it down quickly. Mark all these shapes. Okay, so I hope you are done now. So now the second shape is your homework. See students, I can do all the questions, but mainly these questions are for your thinking ability. So I want you to do it by your own. So B, you will do by your own. Let me solve C for you. Something fish-like shape is given. Interesting. Sorry, I am very bad at drawing. Something like this is given. Okay. So now once again we need to find 7 geometrical shapes in this fish. So let's find. Simply we can see a triangle here. This is number 1. Now by this line again we had found a triangle number 2. Once again we can find a triangle here. Number 3. This won't look like this in your drawing. This is my mistake of drawing. So here you will see a triangle. So number 3 will be a triangle. Then this number 4 is also a triangle. Number 5 is a rectangle. Number 6 is again triangle, and number 7 is parallelogram or diamond shape we can say. So triangle, 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 rectangle and a diamond shape. So these 7 shapes we had found in the fish. Note this down. Make drawing and mark all these 7 shapes of 10 gram. And once again, D is homework for you. So B and D is homework you need to do by your own. In A and C, I have done for you. you are done. So with this we are done with exercise 7.3. Now we will start exercise 7.4. See student, the 2D shapes, 3D shapes you had learned in class 2 in your previous class. And we have seen, we had revision also of 2D and 3D shapes. So let's revise one more time. So this is a cuboid. So this is flat surface of cuboid. Cuboid is having flat surface. For example, the duster. This is example of cuboid. This is flat surface. This is flat surface. This is again flat surface. Now the chalk. This chalk is example of cylinder. So cylinder is having one curved surface. See, this is the curved surface, and this and this. These two are flat surfaces. So I hope you are very much clear with flat surface or plane surface we can say, and curved surface. So exercise 7.4 is somewhat based on flat surface and curved surface or plane surface we can say that. So question number 1. All of you note down the question from the book. Identify and write the name of shape of the following objects. Label the surface indicated as plane or curve. See, we need to write the name of shape, whatever object is given, and the surface also, either it is plane or curved. So first of all, you write down the question in your classwork copy with the help of book, then we will solve the question. So I hope students you are done with the writing question. Now let's start the solution. So question A, a ball is there. So we know that ball is of sphere shape. So in the name we will write sphere, and sphere is having curved surface. So in the place of surface we will write curved. So what you need to do, first of all, you will draw the object, then you will write the name, and the name of the object, then you will write the surface, and you will write either it is curved or plane. I am just writing answer only, but you need to write question also from the book. Now the B. A box is given there. So box is in cuboid shape. So we will write cube. In the place of name we will write cube. And the surface is, this is flat surface or plane surface. So in front of surface we will write plane. That's a birthday cap. It is in shape of cone. So in the place of name we will write cone, and this surface they have asked. So this is the curved surface. So once again in the place of surface we will write curved. Okay students, now the next is B. So let's see. It is a dice, and the dice is in cubical shape, cube. So in the place of name we will write cube, and this surface they have asked. This is plane surface. Cubes, all the surfaces are plane surfaces. All the 6 surfaces of cube are plane. Note down quickly. I hope students you are done. Now the next is a matchbox. The next object is matchbox. By looking at simply we can say that it is a cuboid. Something like this matchbox is given there. So the shape is cuboid shape. So in place of name we will write cuboid. And there was this surface So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.